We have amazing questions when it comes to cancellation of terms in summation, which is simply known as telescopic summation. But when it comes to cancellation in product, there are a very few questions, and this is one of such rare questions. And the question is, we are given this product of terms in which we have 1 to the power 4 plus 1 by 4 into 3 to the power 4 plus 1 by 4 up to 2n minus 1 to the power 4 plus 1 by 4 upon 2 to the power 4 plus 1 by 4 into 4 to the power 4 plus 1 by 4 up to 2n to the power 4 plus 1 by 4. So basically we have odd numbers in the numerator and even numbers in the denominator. Now it says this series, it simplifies to 1 upon an square plus bn plus c. We need to find the value of a minus b plus c. In order to solve this question, what we'll do is we'll simplify one of the terms and let the term be tr, and it will be r to the power 4 plus 1 by 4, which we can write as r square whole square plus 1 by 2 square. Now we'll make it a perfect square. In order to make it a perfect square, we'll add 2ab and we'll subtract 2ab. So we'll add r square and we'll subtract r square. So we can write this as r square plus 1 by 2 whole square minus r square, which again is a square minus b square. So we can write this as r square minus r plus 1 by 2 and r square plus r plus 1 by 2. Now what we'll also do is we'll add 1 by 4 and we'll subtract 1 by 4 in both the terms. Now this again is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So we can write this as r minus 1 by 2 whole square and plus this is 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. So it will be simply 1 by 4 and here it will be a square plus b square plus 2ab. So that will be r plus 1 by 2 whole square plus 1 by 4 and this is your tr. Now we can also write this as tr equals, now this is r minus 1 plus 1. So it will be r minus 1 whole square plus 1 by 4 into r plus 1 by 2 whole square plus 1 by 4. Now basically this series is, it is t1 upon t2 into t3 upon t4 up to t2n minus 1 upon t2n. So what we'll also do is we'll simplify this expression tr minus 1 upon tr. Now tr minus 1 will be, we'll replace r with r minus 1, so there will be r minus 2 plus 1 by 2 whole square plus 1 by 4 and here will be r minus 1 plus 1 by 2 whole square plus 1 by 4 whole divided by r minus 1 plus 1 by 2 whole square plus 1 by 4 into r plus 1 by 2 whole square plus 1 by 4. Now these two terms, they'll cancel. So this simplifies to r minus 2 plus 1 by 2 whole square plus 1 by 4 divided by r plus 1 by 2 whole square plus 1 by 4. Now we'll start putting the values of r. So we can write this t1 upon t2. For t1 upon t2, we'll put r as 2, and if we put r as 2, it'll be 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 4 upon, and here it'll be 2 plus 1 by 2 whole square plus 1 by 4 into, now for t3 upon t4, we'll put r as 4, and if we put r as 4, we'll get this as 2 plus 1 by 2 whole square plus 1 by 4 upon 4 plus 1 by 2 whole square plus 1 by 4. We'll write one more term T5 upon T6. So if we put R as 6, we'll get 4 plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 4 upon 6 plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 4. And this series will continue and will continue up to 2n terms. So we'll put R as 2n. So here we'll get this as 2n minus 2 plus 1 by 2 whole square plus 1 by 4 upon 2n plus 1 by 2 whole square plus 1 by 4. Now these successive terms, they'll cancel. So in the end, we'll have this as 1 upon 2 square plus 1 by 4 upon 2n square plus 1 by 4 plus 2n plus 1 by 4. It will be simply 1 by 2 upon, and this is 4n square plus 2n plus 1 by 2, or 1 upon 8n square plus 4n plus 1. So product of the series, it is equal to 1 upon 8n square plus 4n plus 1. So basically we'll get A as 8, B as 4 and C as 1. So the value of A minus B plus C will be 8 minus 4 plus 1, which is 5, and that is the answer to this question.